Hey folks, and welcome to Narrenschlag. My name is Max, I'm a 16-year-old game developer from Germany, and this is episode 1 of my game devlog on the new game I'm currently creating, Gunshot Renegades. Up until this point on my game dev journey, I've been creating a lot of smaller games like Beat Tap, at which you tap to the beat of a song, Icarus, Rising Stars, where you try to avoid obstacles, Tales of the Fallen, a Souls-like game about tales of fallen legends from myths, sagas, legends of different cultures, and a lot of crappy RPG Maker games. I've decided to give you a detailed look at me creating a game from scratch, from the early moments of development all the way up to completion. So, Gunshot Renegades is a project I started mid-April 2019 using the amazing Unity game engine. It's going to become a single and co-op player game with a focus on action and replayability. So it means that it is possible to play with a friend on a couch or something on the same computer or console, and it's a 2D top-down shooter game like Binding of Isaac. The whole game is about a band of people who set themselves the mission to beat the system which tries to control the minds of the people. But to say it in a better way, it's about good old gunfire and old school bullet hell action. Maybe you've already seen it. It's heavily inspired by games like Binding of Isaac or Nuclear Throne. You maybe know it, and I'm using some of the sprites of the game recreated for the prototype. I've chosen this project with the pretty low difficulty to create because I finally wanted to scale much smaller than before. In the past I've stopped so many projects because I paused or stopped them because I burned out on them or just didn't want to continue. So maybe this video series in which you can see the whole process of creation of Gunshot Renegades will help me to keep on working on the game until it's finished. So far, my game features a playable character with 3 different kind of weapons to choose from, an ammunition, movement and weapon system, and a shooting sound. I just came up with the name and the plot for this game and making the script for this video, so I think I like it. So far so good, I think I'll keep it. So you shoot your way up to the boss of the evil organization while shooting down bosses, collecting a lot of weapons and ammunition, and if you beat it, then something happens that I don't want to tell you at the moment because it's a surprise. So keep waiting. So far I've made this prototype character by recreating the fish character from Nuclear Throne, 3 different weapons, a pistol, a SMG which shoots 3 bullets every time it's fired, and a minigun that shoots as long as you keep pressing the shooting button, just to test if the weapons are working as intended. I love challenges, especially in programming complex systems, and I've grown in this with every project I have been working on so far. I think the hardest thing to finish on this project will be the level generation because I don't have any experience on this. I want to make a game which provides as many possible playstyles as possible to master for the player. But in the first week I want to work on the movement and gunfight gameplay only, and maybe some AI, and if there is time left I'll begin working on the level generation. So at the end of each devlog episode I provide a link to play the current version of the game so I can get your feedback on how it feels and plays. So far so good. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to support me. And with that I hope to see you soon in another video. Ciao!